Plants not only give your home a really cool and natural vibe, they also help to increase your health and wellness. Don't believe me? Just keep watching. This is And Then There Was Style. Hello friends, and welcome back to the video. If this is your first time here, definitely subscribe to the channel to keep up with everything that we have going on. Also take a look at some of our older videos and see if you can just see something that you love. So in today's video, guys, we're going to hop on the trend. We are going to talk about how to place indoor plants and flowers and things like that in your home for maximum impact. Now this has been, I hate to say a trend, but honestly it really has been a trend lately. A lot of people are getting plants for their home, both real plants and artificial plants. It brings an element of nature into your home, and a lot of people are loving that, especially since we're spending so much more time at home. Plants are visually appealing and add tons of character to any space, but most of all, they are an inexpensive way to decorate your room. The good thing about plants is that you don't need a whole botanical garden to make them work in your home. One big plant can make a huge impact. On the other hand, one of the most trending decor designs is an urban jungle design theme. You can use this video to give yourself an opportunity to see which trendy ways you can use to decorate your home with plants and greenery. So if you want to get into plants but you aren't quite sure where to start, I'm going to make it super easy for you. Let's start with shelving or decorating your shelves with greenery. It's actually really easy. Shelves are a good way to get more vertical storage in any room, but sometimes all of that storage lacks character. To bring life and beauty to your room and to give interest to those shelves, you can put some greenery on them. And if you have enough space, you can dedicate one whole shelf just for the plants. The kind of plants you decide to put on the shelf will depend on how much light that particular shelf gets. Mostly, all plants like to have enough light, so start choosing plants with that in mind. As always, don't forget to check the description box for products that I've hand-sourced especially for you from Amazon if you want to recreate this look in your home. Also, while you have the video paused to do that, don't forget to comment down below your favorite room so I can see what you guys are feeling. If you want to know mine, wait till the end of the video. I definitely showcase it for you. So after you have mastered shelving, unused corners are the worst. If you look up in your room right now, you probably have some corners that you aren't really using. But if you decide to adopt a plant, unused corners will no longer be your problem. One of the most trending designs includes hanging plants. All you need is a couple of hooks and you can hang a plant from your ceiling. You can even go a step further and make a nice macrame plant hanger to add a bit of character and interest to that plant. Apart from macrame plant hangers, there are many creative ways to hang the plant from the ceiling. I know we've talked about hanging plants as well as a plant shelf. However, the most common way to add plants to your home is through the usage of plant stands and pots. Plant stands help you elevate your plants and also add a nice touch to your plant corner. There are many different types of plant stands that you can choose from. If you're going for a more natural look, you can find wooden or rattan plant stands, or if you're going for a more industrial look, metal plant stands are also available and will work seamlessly with your decor. And in case your plants are large or you prefer to move them around, plant stands on wheels are the unique and quirky solution. So I mentioned previously that Urban Jungle is also a very trendy decor design that is just really, for lack of a better word, trending right now. So this type of design is especially popular among people who live in urban areas. Think people in huge cities surrounded by concrete and nothing but concrete. Urban Jungle design allows you to bring the outside in. It allows you to combine all types and kinds of plants and to make them look like they all belong there together, right there in your bedroom or living room. Transforming your home into a green oasis is a great way to cope with the cold and gray that surrounds you. And when it comes to transforming your home into an urban jungle, there are really no rules. Just use plants with different hues of green and plants that serve as air purifiers, such as spider plants, ferns, and many, many more. Hopefully, this video has managed to give you some really good ideas. These are some of the trendiest ways in which you can use plants as a decor feature. The best advice that I can give you is not to be afraid to incorporate plants into your home decor. Start by finding some low-maintenance plants and greenery if you don't think that you can keep a plant alive for a long time, which is probably the group that I fall into. Then work towards getting plants that are a bit more difficult to maintain once you have a few plant mama and plant daddy experience months under your belt. You won't regret the decision to incorporate plants into your home decor. So I hope by now you guys have already commented your favorite room using plants and greenery down below. If you want to see mine, I'm obsessed with this. This looks so just tropical. Just picture yourself on an island in a nice beach house, and this is the area right in front of your pool. That's what it reminds me of. It's clean, it's crisp, but it feels so relaxed and natural at the same time. Alright guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with like-minded individuals who love home decor, and lastly, subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.